East Khasi Hills District is located in which state? A. Assam. B. Meghalaya. C. Nagaland. D. Tripura. Answer B. Meghalaya. What is the headquarters of East Khasi Hills District? A. Tura. B. Nongpol. C. Shillong. D. Jove. Answer C. Shillong. Which famous hill station is located in East Khasi Hills District? A. Haflong. B. Shillong. C. Kohima. D. Asval. Answer B. Shillong. Shillong is also known as the A. Pink City. B. Scotland of the East. C. Blue City. D. City of Lakes. Answer B. Scotland of the East. The main tribe of East Khasi Hills District is A. Garo. B. Naga. C. Khasi. D. Mizo. Answer C. Khasi. The famous Elephant Falls is located near A. Tura. B. Shillong. C. Jove. D. Bugmara. Answer B. Shillong. The sacred forest Maflang is located in A. West Khasi Hills. B. Riboi. C. East Khasi Hills. D. South Garo Hills. Answer C. East Khasi Hills. Which cave is famous in East Khasi Hills? A. Siju Cave. B. Mosme Cave. C. Krem Liat Pra. D. Arwa Cave. Answer B. Mosme Cave. Which plateau is East Khasi Hills part of? A. Deccan Plateau. B. Malva Plateau. C. Shillong Plateau. D. Chotanagpur Plateau. Answer C. Shillong Plateau.